Yeah, winter storm. It's on 2019. Look at this shit. Everybody crazy as a motherfucker. Don't nobody know what lane they in. Insanity. Let me turn down this heat. Dog, look at this shit. So it's about to be cold as fuck. Oh my goodness. You see this shit? On a normal day, there's so much shit behind that cloud you can see. There's no visibility. Going 35. The speed limit on this road is 55. So we cut down by 20. Whew. Speed limit on this road is 55. We're doing 35. You see how fast we should be going. There goes a sign right there. You can see I ain't lying. Speed limit 55. You see where we going. Damn! Motherfuckers is sliding. I seen one car today. It was flipping like a motherfucking gymnastic with no legs. Just sound like a goddamn money machine as it was just flipping. See, you got some people that just think they tougher than nature. They just gonna do 55 anyway. And them be the motherfuckers that get money machine. Ride past them up the road. They be talking about, help me. I ain't playing with old man winter. Ooh-wee. 2019, 107. Sun ain't even been out all day. Now see, this is cold because the wind is blowing. And it's not stopping. In fact, you know what, I'm trying to make it funny, but they is actually going a little bit too slow. I looked at that time and got upset. I need to start going. They playing. Yeah, let me get back on this thing. I'm gonna hit y'all up later. I gotta get to driving.